Afternoon, y'all. Okay. This is the late day one that we had, starting at 1 o'clock. They're breaking ground, so I'm almost guessing it's going to be pier pods. If they've learned, or we're filling plumbing kickers and crap like that. Yeah. All sorts of different phases to this job that could be happening right now. I have no idea, based upon this mix, what they intend to do with it. Yeah, it's an interior, so it doesn't say much at all. But it is pretty crunchy. So I'm having to doctor it on my way there. Oh, of course you're gonna fall. There we go. Get this thing to move. I had him add an extra 20 gallons to me when I was loading. It's supposed to be a 5-inch slump. Wherever that. If they don't test it, they can't tell the difference anyway. Most of the time. That'd be about a 900. It's sitting at 1500. He didn't evacuate on the digital end. What did he put in here? $199. 40 gallons short. Okay. Yeah, I got that juicy shit all floating on top. No, we don't want to listen to that. Yeah, we'll listen to that. We'll listen to Teddy. That way it doesn't, like, blow up on the copyright thing. 90% of music is like free on fucking YouTube right now. So it's like, unless it's like brand fucking new. And most people are going independent labels anyway. Too easy to build your own studio in a shed. Save yourself the celebrity scrutiny. Do it all yourself. Put it on YouTube. We'll listen to it. They'll monetize it. Departmental, like, told them to get a light out here. Some of these intersections need fucking lights bad. And they keep putting them in the stupidest spots. It's like, we don't fucking need one there. We need one down there. If I'm not mistaken, this is a next door neighbor to the job that we've been doing at night. And we have been balls to the wall with that other one. Trying to get it done. The 2 weeks of snowcation did not help us. This is a big contract that we work with. We're going to be doing this one here soon. They usually pour at night, so I bounce back and forth. I'm not straight days and I'm not straight nights. Strictly contingent on the actual job, where it's located, and how it's being conducted. This, I will probably be in. I don't know where they are at. Because it's the first time I've been over here, so I don't know. I don't know if they need me over this end or the other end. They got 2 entrances. Over there. That way. If I'm not mistaken, I see the laser rod. And if I'm savvy in my assessment, they're starting to do the building. What they typically do is they measure out everything and they start cutting the pier pods. Great big squares with grids in them. Those will go in first. But I'm thinking these guys might be doing the outside rim first. This guy, as soon as he turns in, now they had that one over there blocked. This is one of the little headaches. I don't know if they want me to go. I don't think they want me to go that way. I'm going to go in this way. If the dump trucks can turn around, I can turn around. And the ground's pretty dry, so I'm not afraid of running into anything too frightening. And you'll see what kind of cray-cray we run into. He was waving at me here. Here. Yeah, he's calling. I saw him. Motioning to me where he wanted me to go. I gotta go up into this. Okay, are we gonna have a courteous dump truck, or is he gonna play games? You want me to go this way? Morning, afternoon. Hi, where are you going to have me going?
You're going to go straight because we're going to be doing, you see the white strip that we have right here in the floor?
Yeah.
It's going to be only 3 inches. We're just doing a mortar bed.
Oh, okay. You need mortar bed?
Yeah,
Okay.
3 inches, yeah.
All right. There's the paper part. No.
Yeah.
Nope. Just giving you that for document.
We're going to go there. We're going to go all the way to the corner, and then we're going to go that way.
We're going to go that way with it.
Where the pile of rock is right now.
All right. He's going to be lasering it out.
Yeah.
So how wet do you want it to get 3
It's
inches?
probably going to be like 6, 7.
Okay.
And
Yeah,
then
he loaded me on a
We're in 5 right now, no?
Huh?
We're in 5 right now.
No, we're like a 2, 3. I'll put some water on it.
And then,
You no problem.
we don't have that inspected or anything, so we're good.
Okay.
They're not gonna test that or
I'll
anything.
put on the chutes, however many I need.
All right.
Where am I?
As soon as we finish with that section, we come back here.
Okay.
We're gonna make them do the compactor here. They're gonna put the plate compactor first, and then you're gonna go behind, or in this same strip, all the way to the corner.
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll
If
see.
we got enough?
Yeah. And then if you know, I call, and then we get.
And then your washout is over there behind that white pickup truck.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Right there. Yeah.
We got this.
You got it.
Rock and roll.
So let me get everybody out of your way. I'm gonna take the show out of the way, and then we're ready to go.
Okie dokie. So you're starting this corner or that far corner? Oh, here? Okay. Gotcha. You ain't gonna be able to see shit. Because it's gonna be sideways. But you see this big hole? Those are the pier pads. That's what I thought we would probably want. But this is just a 3,000 mix that is really kind of, and they're only doing about 3 inches. That's what he said. So, what the hell are you doing? This forklift just almost killed everybody. Good grief. Anyway. Truck's still. I gotta put a chute on. Let me get that. The water started on this shit. Bonehead. 3 inches, huh? Hey! flow. Crap out of the way here. Is that workable? Do you want more water in it? You need more water in it? It's good? Okay. There we go. You may not be able to see me for a while. There we go. Yep. There we go. Okay. Oh yeah, 8 more to 3, but that's the idea. We'll move you back up here. Yeah, not a lot to see because it's sideways. But yeah, this is the big industrial sites that we work with. What it looks like before the building is built. First it looks like this, and then it turns into something back there.
And I think they
What's that?
I see. They got their laser set up with that, so it's gonna be easy for us to come back, like all the way to the corner, and we go backwards.
You want to come backward with it?
Yeah.
Oh, please, thank you. Yeah, I can. That's a lot easier for me. Thank you. Yay! Yeah, I mean, I can pour forward. I mean. Where y'all want me to start? Over on that side? Okay. Yeah, that's what my plan would be. Yeah, the laser box is right there next to him. And they've got to be able to see what they're doing. And if I'm pouring forward, my truck is in the freaking way. able to get a glimpse of what I do on this thing. I gotta go with new. By sign language. Pinches his fingers together, it means he needs a little bit, and then he'll point to where he wants it. Okay. They usually don't want it with one spot, they want you to spread it out. Basically, they're only putting this little wafer above this, and then they're going to pour the pudding. Usually they do flow before. Yeah, this is going to take a minute. It's going to be long duration because they don't have any stobs in it. Because it's too rocky. I mean, you can't stop it. I'm trying to spray paint a mark. The marks are usually 3 inches freaking wide. Great company, Foreign. Love them. Love them. Love them. Done a lot of work for these guys. I love working with them. We got a couple of great big like warehouse builders in this area. They're all fantastic to work with. Every one of them. Except that one over there. That's the one I have issues with. things, like the dude parking his truck right in our path, and our QC guy taking note and asking him very nicely, hey, you know, our guys would have an easier time getting out of here if you're, you know, could you turn your truck, park it the other way so the ass wasn't sticking out? And the guy's like, they know what they're doing. It was dark and foggy and muddy. He was so mean. He had an attitude with our QC guy, which was not any better. And our QC guy is a sweetheart. I love him. Like him and his wife, you couldn't find a nicer couple. Footing. They might use the mesh forms to do that. That's what they usually do when they get ground like this. It's real rocky. They brought all this rock in here to make it like this because it's typically a mud field. You can't see it because it's behind my head. Pulling in rock. Let's look over there. You know those little corners they have on castles that jet out from the main building? I got one of those little. I had to draw it in. They've got it kind of like mapped out, but they need a little bit more. Thicker than 3 inches there, honey. What you doing? Give my foot a little bit of a rest. Just above the little lump they created, looks like. I didn't touch that. I don't know why it.
Baby, it's the midnight. In between, cross your heart, promise you never leave. Feeling something when you're next to me. I want to let me try to see. So press through me like a jet queen. Cross your heart, promise you never leave. Sorry that my heart's so big, but you keep me from spiraling. Got this running rings with gold. Till the sun knocks at your door. It's a feeling something when you're next to me. You're my cloud, I like to get see. We're intertwined with nothing in between. Cross your heart, promise you'll never leave. Feeling something when you're next to me. I have walls and feeling like seas. So crash through me like a dead queen. Cross your heart, promise you'll never leave.
see the edge. Just gonna have to work it in there.
Trying my best to keep from tearing the skin off my bones. Don't you know?
Wiggle on over there.
I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see?
That lip's sticking up. I could probably do that. Hang it up real tight. Don't let it hang down. There you go. Thank you. Might actually have enough on this one. Alright, forklift, where are you going? I don't know who the hell is driving it, they scare me. Oh, my mother. Anyway. Hi! How are you?
I'm doing okay. How are you doing?
I'm good. Did you guys go to New York?
You finally feel better?
Yeah, I was sicker than a freaking dog.
That's what you said. I was afraid to call you for fear I'd wake you up.
Oh, it was horrible. They blew
Because I
fly
didn't know they
ash.
had you doing night tours a day, you know?
Oh no, he's got me on days pretty much. I'm working on one of the jobs that we're gonna be doing a night pour for. But I'm doing footings. They like to do this kind of stuff during the day, and they need the laser and whatnot. So I'm out here doing like it's kind of like a mortar bed for a footing. They've got these little form things that they use to make the footings with.
Oh, okay.
So they've got to have it kind of flat so they can get everything tight and even.
Okay.
Yeah. It's not like a house footing. This is going to be a huge
I wanted
warehouse.
to check on you before we leave for New York in the morning.
Oh, okay.
And did you get the thing about the flowers?
Yes, I did. I'll get with her when y'all get back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I saw the messages.
Okay, I thought you did. I just wanted to make sure. I didn't want anybody to be left out. Just in case. I called Uncle Terry, but he'd already sent flowers, so.
Right.
I said, well, that's okay. Don't worry about it. I was just trying to make sure nobody got left out, you know.
Right.
Yeah, just none of us are that sort. We don't have to be. You know what I mean? It's so strange that, you know, they were all at the party, and she was having such a good time planning her 100.
Oh God,
And
yeah, right.
Yeah, she got COVID and it kicked her ass.
Oh, is that what it was?
Yeah, she got COVID and it
bless
knocked out her heart and her kidneys.
Oh no shit.
Yeah.
Well, I was sicker than a dog.
Did it, but so she had a living will. They were going to do this and that and the other thing, but they found a will that said nothing. No artificial feeding. You know, none of that was done. So they had them take out the IVs and no ONG tube, no feeding tube, and just let her go. She was on hospice just about a whole day.
Oh no.
Yeah. She was always such a sweetie. I know you guys didn't know her as well, you and Katie, because we moved away, you know.
Right.
But Katie and Kelly and Corey knew her.
Yeah.
More, you know, they saw her more. So
we're working backward.
Yeah, she was such a sweetie, and her mind was still good right to the end. So.
Well, she couldn't remember. Well, she had remembered me the one time, and then it was like 3 or 4 months later, she had forgot who I was. By the time your birthday came along.
Well, she'd seen so many people, and you girls all look alike, you know. And Ida said, "Do you realize how much your girls look alike?" I said, "Well, I know Carrie and Katie look alike."
Yeah, because we look like grandma.
Kelly doesn't so much look like them, but she does more than she used to.
Okay, sorry about that. Mom's starting to, wait. Anyway, what she was talking about is that my aunt passed away. She was 99 years old. She was planning her 100th birthday party, and she got COVID, and it kicked her ass. And she started name dropping and shit. And I try to keep pretty much everybody's, info and business out of my videos. I don't like name dropping. So I'm going to have to go in and bleep, edit, cut. So if it starts jumping, that's why, because the phone call with Mom. I don't know when it actually happened. So, but yeah, this one's almost done. You can't really see what I'm doing, so I'm going to go ahead and end this here. Be polite, say goodbye. But yeah, good times.